Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Shadid Abedin. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Today is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great philosopher, a great teacher, and also the second president of India. এছাড়াও শিক্ষক দিবসের ওপর বাংলার বক্তব্য এবং বিভিন্ন মনীষীদের দ্বারা বিখ্যাত উক্তির ভিডিও দেখতে চাইলে তোমরা ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে লিংক দেওয়া আছে, অবশ্যই দেখে নিও। India has been celebrating Teachers' Day since 1962 in his honor, who has been an inspirational figure to all. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They are our second parents. They help us to become a good manners and make our future bright. They plant seeds of knowledge that grow forever. Teachers' Day is a best way for a student to express love and respect for their teachers. But remember, we should always respect our teachers. Thank you. এরকম ভিডিও আরও পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও এবং ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও।